at it, guys. Look at this. You won't believe they got a PEZ dispenser for Chucky. Oh, God. Sorry.
Yeah, we got them recently.
Sorry about that. Yeah, I would like to get some. I get one, and then I would like to get 2 bubblegum dispenser, like a red one and a blue one.
Red dispenser and 2 of these.
Yes, thank you. Look at that. What is that? It's a bubblegum dispenser, Chucky. Ah, they're so cute. I'll get 2. That is gonna be fun.
2 of those?
Yeah.
You still want the small ones?
Well, you know what? Not those ones, but I want those 2. That is pretty cool. I don't know if you're seeing it, but it's pretty cool. Hey guys, you won't believe this. Look at that. It's like a Chuck E. Cheese Gumball machine. Look at that. And we got a PEZ dispenser too. You want to open PEZ dispenser? I'll open it for you. Whoa! Chucky. Let's put something in there. I'll open it for you and then let's put some PEZ in there. Huh?
Open.
That one too? Whoa! It's yummy. Yummy. Okay, then we gotta open the Gumball. Yummy. Whoa! It's as big as your head, look! Gummy! Alright, let's put the...
Open.
Whoa! Whoa, let's see. You gotta turn, I gotta turn this. Whoa! Alright, you get one? I get one. Yay, my favorite color. I got blue. Ah, that's mine. No, there's another one, red. Oh, they're stuck. Let me take it out. That's the, oh. Let's do it.
Ticket splash happens in just 7 minutes.
2 came out.
Hey everyone, welcome to Chuck E. Cheese's. Chuck E. Cheese will be here in just a few minutes.
That is pretty cool.
And ticket splash. You should stick around. It's gonna be awesome.
There's another orange. That is so crazy. It looks spooky too. Spooky. Spooky Chucky. What's this PEZ dispenser? Look at that. That's also spooky.
Daddy, you and you.
Oh.
Chuck E. Cheese will be out in less than 6 minutes. 5 minutes.
I'm gonna teach you. Look, look, look. Look. Whoa, see that? Look, look, mama. That's mine. Ah. There you go.
4 minutes.
Thank you. He gave me PEZ. I'm puking. I'm puking Gumballs. Oh, it's not coming out.
It's time to dance. Make some noise for Chuck E. Cheese.
Happy Chucktober, everyone! The leaves are falling outside, and it's the perfect time of year to do Chucky's Happy Dance. Do you guys want to dance with me? Great! It's really easy. Just follow me. Put your hands in the air as you jump up and down. Then you bob side to side. Then you turn around and give yourself a high five. Just give yourself a high five. Then you step really high and stomp your feet on the ground. And you wiggle like a worm, wiggle all over town. Then give yourself a high five. Just give yourself a high five. We do the happy dance for whoever it pleases. And happy Chucktober from your friends at Chuck E. Cheese's. Now, body, wave your hands to the left, to the left, to the right. Everybody to the left, and to the right. Wave your hands to the left, to the left, to the right. Even better, to the left, and to the right. Now step to the left, to the right. Everybody to the left, and to the right. What's your name? To the left, to the right. Everybody to the left, and to the right. Everybody now breathe. That was awesome. Okay, you can unfreeze now. You know, I am so happy to be here today. I think I've got to keep doing my happy dance. What do you think? Should we do it again? Put your hands in the air as you jump up and down. Then you bob side to side. Then you turn around and give yourself a high five. Just give yourself a high five. Then you step really high and stomp your feet on the ground. And you wiggle like a worm, wiggle all over town. Then give yourself a high five. Just give yourself a high five. We do the happy dance for whoever it pleases. And happy Chucktober from your friends. Everybody cheese now. Hands in the air as you jump up and down. Then you bob side to side. Then you turn around and give yourself a high five. Just give yourself a high five. Then you step really high and stomp your feet on the ground. Then you wiggle like a worm, wiggle all over town. Then give yourself a high five. Just give yourself a high five. We do the happy dance for whoever it pleases. And happy Chucktober from your friends at Chuck E. Cheese's now. Oh man, that really was awesome. You guys did great. I love doing the happy dance. Okay.
Well, you gotta hug him. You don't be mean. No, I'm not giving Gumball. Bye. No. No more Gumball. Oh. What are you giving him? Imaginary Gumball. Let's follow him. Come on. Run. So cute. I knew it. All he wants is so good. All he wants is this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave that at the comment section below. Once again, thanks for watching. Peace.